BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-Num, please report back to ITS cockpit.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret.
Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pokhara.
Under the command of the First Order. All of you will be sent to your interrogation immediately, where you will tell us everything you know. Now get out.
Do not separate from your unit unless you wish to remain separated.
Allies
Oh, we're gonna run together, alright.
Yeah. You've been assigned a color: blue, red, orange, and gray.
Three. Oh, what?
Memorize the colors vital for your interrogation process.
Orange, got it.
When that cell door opens, you'll proceed inside without hesitation, without commentary. And you'll locate the same colors you're standing on now. The longer it takes to reveal the what are you doing? The longer it takes to reveal the name of the planet. What are you doing? Alright, we're doing this the long way. Now, before you step foot inside that room, it will be mandatory to remove every single hat, gear, or headband you're wearing. They'll get in the way of your known stormtrooper helmets. And I assure you, this will be mandatory. And you? What did you do to that dog on your head? Did you do this?
She's a quiet and we're flags.
Okay, you did this. Alright, we'll get to the bottom of this. Everyone inside.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Well, you can't tell what's color's what. This is red.
I think the red is over there, yeah.
I can't see either.
Well, it's kind of hard to tell what's color's
Yeah, this
what.
is red for sure.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Let's go!
blue and red in the first vehicle, gray and orange in the second.
We have the recruits.
I know, I'm just like, is it
You're still here? Paul's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Mac, we need to find him away.
Reportos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
To the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We are breaching and touching lock range.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who ate these two droids anyway?
Detection of breach. Treason is not seen on every team.
If anyone's backing a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pod's still closed! Wait up! I said down! Up is bad! Up is real bad!
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
You guys ready?
crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Rhino, scan for his pod beacon.
4 escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification ending from key command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir.
Wreckage? Got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down in the wreckage, sir.
Doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him,
Scan's last shelter in Sector 4.
should have waited for him.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
Never leave anything.
Lieutenant back here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! SR5, you too.